Toronto, Canada, January 16, 2026. In what meteorologists are calling the storm of the century, Toronto has been plunged into a frozen apocalypse as a relentless blizzard dumped unprecedented amounts of snow across the Greater Toronto Area, GTA. Emergency services are overwhelmed, with reports of entire neighborhoods buried under accumulations exceeding 2 meters in the hardest-hit suburbs, transforming Canada's largest city into a veritable winter wasteland. Officials have declared a state of emergency, urging residents to shelter in place amid life-threatening conditions that have claimed lives and crippled infrastructure. The storm, dubbed Arctic Armageddon by local media, intensified overnight, unleashing howling winds gusting up to 100 kilometers per hour and heavy snowfall rates of 10 centimeters per hour. Environment Canada issued red-level warnings early this morning, but the ferocity caught even experts off guard. By midday, Pearson International Airport recorded an official 1.8 meters of snow, while northern Scarborough and parts of York region reported drifts surpassing 2.5 meters. Depths not seen since the Ice Age, according to preliminary analyses. Transportation has ground to a halt. The TTC subway system, usually a lifeline, suspended all above-ground operations after tracks vanished under the white onslaught, stranding thousands. Highways like the 401 and 407 resemble abandoned Arctic tundras, with hundreds of vehicles entombed in snowbanks. Rescue teams deployed snowmobiles and helicopters to extract motorists, but visibility near zero has hampered efforts. Hospitals report a surge in frostbite and injury cases, with emergency rooms at capacity. Power grids buckled under the weight, leaving over 500,000 households in darkness and bitter cold, dipping to minus 20 degrees Celsius with wind chills, feeling like minus 35 degrees Celsius. Hydro One crews battled treacherous conditions to restore lines, but fallen trees and poles, snapped like matchsticks, have turned restoration into a Herculean task. In densely populated areas like downtown Toronto, where snowplows struggle to navigate narrow streets, accumulations of 1.5 to 2 meters have isolated high-rises, forcing residents to ration supplies. Food delivery services ceased, and grocery stores shuttered, sparking fears of shortages as supply chains freeze. Schools and businesses remain closed indefinitely, with virtual learning impossible for many due to widespread internet blackouts.
Damaging my wiper blades because honestly the snow keeps going in my way and I cannot.
The economic toll is staggering. Preliminary estimates suggest billions in damages, from lost productivity to structural repairs. Small businesses in areas like Kensington Market and Queen West, already reeling from piled snow-blocking entrances, face ruin. Our shop is literally under 2 meters of snow. The roof is groaning, lamented one owner in a social media plea for aid. First responders paint a grim picture. Toronto Fire Services handled over 300 calls in the past 24 hours, including carbon monoxide poisonings from improper generator use and structure fires exacerbated by blocked hydrants. Paramedics waded through chest-deep drifts to reach the vulnerable, while police enforced curfews to prevent looting in evacuated zones. The Canadian Armed Forces have been mobilized, with troops arriving via all-terrain vehicles to distribute blankets, heaters, and MREs. In the storm's most devastating pockets, Isolated neighborhoods in northern Scarborough, Markham, and Vaughan have become unrecognizable ghost towns under snow depths exceeding 2 meters. Some unofficial resident measurements and drone footage showing drifts climbing to 2.8 meters against homes and vehicles. Entire streets lie entombed, with second-floor windows vanishing beneath the relentless white tide, forcing families to tunnel out through front doors or smash through roof hatches for rescue. Emergency crews, now stretched to the breaking point, report that heavy wet snow, dense and unforgiving, has collapsed dozens of weaker structures, including garages, sheds, and even sections of older commercial roofs in industrial zones. The weight alone has triggered a cascade of structural failures, with engineers warning that without rapid intervention, more buildings could succumb as temperatures plummet overnight. Amid the chaos, social media floods with desperate pleas. Trapped seniors posting final messages from darkened homes, parents sharing videos of children building snow forts that reach the eaves, and first responders broadcasting live from snowcats as they claw through the apocalypse to reach the stranded. Environmental experts link the catastrophe to climate change, noting warmer Great Lakes waters fueling lake-effect snow bands that amplified the storm. What was once a rare event is becoming the new normal, warned Dr. Elena Vasquez of the University of Toronto's Climate Institute. Yet, amid the despair, stories of heroism emerge. Neighbors digging out the elderly, community centers opening as warming shelters, and volunteers delivering hot meals on skis. As night falls, forecasts predict another 30 to 50 centimeters overnight, potentially pushing totals beyond 3 meters in isolated spots. Residents are advised to conserve energy, avoid travel, and check on loved ones. This blizzard isn't just weather. It's a test of Toronto's resilience, one that will leave scars long after the thaw. Thanks for watching Severe Weather, where we break down the facts behind nature's most intense moments. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel going. Hit the bell so you never miss a real, calm, and clear report. Note, some footage in this video may be used for illustration and may not show the exact event described. See you in the next one. Stay informed, stay safe.